What time is it? Uh-oh, we won't know without the numbers. We need to find them. Are you ready? A puzzle. Let's put it together. We should look for this piece first. Number 1. Next. Here it is. Number 2. Do you see this one? Yep. Number 3. Next one. Found it. Number 4. Let's find this number. Number 5. Let's look for this one. Number 6. Next. Number 7. This one? Here it is, number 8. And this number is 9. The last number we need is this one, 0. Good job, friends. Yay, the missing numbers. 1. It's shaped like a square. And 8. It's a square too. Blue, white, red, yellow, green, pink. Time to play with these cars. Abracadabra. You see, these cars are also locks, and we're gonna unlock them. 1 key for each car. Let's start with this blue police car. Unlocked! Next, how about this yellow school bus? Unlocked! Which one should I pick now? Aha! This pink ice cream truck. Unlocked! Now, how about this green bus? Let's try to unlock it. Done! What's next? This white ambulance. The key worked awesome. And the last car, this red fire engine. Unlocked, great. And we get the next number. It's 2. It's shaped like a triangle. Time to sort these colorful balls. Black. Purple. Gray. Pink. Green. Woohoo! Another number. 3. This time it's a circle. Light blue. White. Brown. Red. Look, it's 9. And it's a circle too. Orange. Blue. Yellow. We're lucky today, guys. It's 12. Shaped like a circle too. How many doors? All locked. Good thing we've got the keys. I think this bright orange key will unlock the bright orange door. I'm so curious. Oh, it's an orange. Let's go with the orange door then. What is that? Ah, I know, it's an onion. The yellow key for the yellow door. What's inside? Woohoo! One more number, 4. This shape is called hexagon. Next key, pink, for the pink door. What's this? Grapes. The red key. It'll open the red door. Let's see. This fruit is a mangosteen. The blue key is left. It worked for the blue door. Nice! This number is 7. It's shaped like a hexagon, too. Green! Pink! Blue! I've got an idea! We're gonna roll out the dough first. Now we'll use this cutter. Press on it, then remove the extra dough. We've got a rectangle. The pink dough next. Gotta roll it out too. Let's use this pink mold. Press, press, press. It's a circle. Now let's play with this green dough. Rolling, rolling, time to shape it. What do we have here? It's a triangle. Yay, another number, it's 5. 5 is shaped like a triangle. This puzzle looks cool. Let's put it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome, friends! Here's our reward. It's 6. You know this shape. It's a square. Look, this is a cylinder. Where's its home? No, nope, no. Aha, right! This is a sphere. Where do we put it? Doesn't fit. No. Here it goes. Next, a triangle. This is its home. This is a cube. We'll put it here. And the last piece, a cuboid. It fits here. A little bit of magic. Whoosh! Let me check if my magic worked. Oops! That's better. It's 10. 10 is shaped like a hexagon. Once again. It's not really what we need. I'll fix it. It's 11. 11 is shaped like a triangle. This hedgehog must be hungry. I've got some treats for you. Hedgehogs can carry berries, fallen leaves, mushrooms, and even fruits on their quills. It has gotta look cute, right? Okay, I think you're all set up. Thank you for your help, friends. See you soon.